Question number 18 now. Bt toxin is intracellular crystalline protein, extracellular crystalline protein, intracellular monosaccharide, extracellular. So monosaccharide, polysaccharide cannot be answered. They are protein, but intra or extra, it is intra. Coming to question number 19. Question number 19. The RNAi stand for, we know that RNAi. RNAi means RNA interference. So the correct option should be RNA interference. This is interferon, this is inactivation, this is initiation. Bt toxins are initially inactive protoxin, but after ingestion by the insect, their inactive toxin become active due to the alkaline pH of gut, acidic pH of gut, temperature of gut, hormone present in the gut. So we should remember this actually, that Bt toxin initially in the form of protoxin. Protoxin means not harmful, inactive form. They get activated in alkaline pH. In alkaline pH and not because of temperature or acidic pH or anything. So the answer should be alkaline pH. Bt cotton is not a GM plant. GM means genetically modified. It is genetically modified. Insect resistant, it is. Bacterial gene expression system, it is. Resistant to all pesticides, wrong. It is not resistant to all pesticide, only certain pesticide. It is not resistant to all pesticides. Insect resistant transgenic cotton has been produced by inserting a piece of DNA from. Whenever we insert with the help of a bacterium, we know that. An insect, bacterium, wild relative of cotton virus, bacterium. 23rd. Bt corn has been made resistant from corn borer disease by the introduction of the gene. Already we came across this. So it is Cry1AC or it is Cry2AB or Cry1AB or Cry2AC. Already we came across one question of this kind. And the answer is, which question it is? Do you remember? See the previous one question I'll take. See now. Cry2AB cotton bollworm in question number 16. Cry1AB corn borer. Cry1AB. So answer should be Cry1AB. A nematode Meloidigyne incognitia infects the root of tobacco plant and causes a great reduction in yield. A novel strategy was adopted to prevent this infection, which was based on the process of. See, for this we use the process of RNAi. RNAi means RNA interference. That is, it stops the process of translation. The process of translation, that is protein synthesis, is affected. Okay, and that is RNA interference. So the correct answer should be RNA interference. 25th question. Why is Bt toxin not toxic to human being? Why it is not toxic? The toxin recognizes only insect specific target. Bt toxin activation requires temperature above the human body temperature. Conversion of protoxin to toxin state take place only in alkaline condition. None of these already I explained you. It gets activated only in alkaline condition, which is available in the gut of those insect or worms, which cause damage to certain plant like cotton plant. Thank you.